Hey guys, it's me here. I decided to just skip the Lua parts and just teach you, to skip the Lua parts and just skip and just when I teach you guys Love2d, I'll just teach you Lua while I'm doing it. Yeah, because Love2d is based on Lua. Alright, so where you want to go is I'll have this link to the description to download Plus. You can do a normal notepad or any text editor, but I feel like this is the best one because it has colors. And I know that sounds pretty stupid, but the colors they tell you if you spelled it right, if you got it right. All you gotta really do is just right here is the main page. Just gotta click if you want to install it, zip package, C7Z packet, and some other things. I would take the installer so you can install it, and I think that's the best way. I mean, it's whatever you prefer. The next website, which I will have in the description as well, is LOVE2d.org. This is the 2D framework that we're going to be using, and it's just pretty good. It's just great. You click wiki. There's a reference for everything. Like if you want to find, code, you can find it here, and then it tells you what you need inside of it. For this one, you don't need anything inside of it, and it's just explaining it with examples. And I think it's just great. And same thing with Notepad. You can get it as a zip file or an installer. I still suggest the installer. You have it for Ubuntu, Mac OS X, and Windows. Okay, you're going to have both of them installed. You want to right click, and this time create a new folder. You want to name this thing anything. I'm going to make it game. The simplicity. Okay. Now when Love runs, basically it runs two files just automatically, and the two files are main, the caps main dot Lua, and I'm gonna set the default to Notepad++. And conf.lua. Okay, now I'll show you guys how to do this one in a second, but for this one, it's actually a pretty long code that, alright, if you don't memorize it, just go to the wiki, search down here, conf, and here it is. These big files is for the same thing. And just copy and paste all this. These are basically our options for the Windows and for the game. Which one to do is go into the folder, open this, and like I said before, it has colors. So you're seeing right now. It's supposed to be a small piston, and here's our options. Alright. You always want to save. Now here's just different options. Just taking a look. So you can just look at it. And then you want to set the title to whatever you want the title to be in the game. And there's a lot of different options, like if you want it borderless, which is basically blue stuff and stuff like that. If you want it off, or if you want it resizable, which is self-explanatory. Full screen, all that stuff. We'll be able to add full screen later, so you don't have to worry about that right now. You can leave that as false, and just everything down here leave it true. We want all that, and you can pretty much leave this the way it already is, except for game, want to add an icon, which I may or may not do. Let's see how this works out. And the width and the height if you want to change it. Okay. And before I teach you guys the main.lua, first we need to go to new, this document, and let's make play.bat. Batch is a Windows programming language, I guess you could call it, and we're going to use that to run the files in this folder with love. So what you're going to type in add echo off start quote percent program files percent slash, and this is only if you install love slash love, and then quote space period. So when we run it, it should run love. There we go. So we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna start the main. So keep this video this one short. All I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you guys how to start the skeleton. The skeleton is basically just like the outline of the entire thing. You may not use the entire thing, but I'm just gonna write as much as I can remember. So just so that you guys know it. So these are functions. Okay. These are like, you put a function, the name it, and then just check out some YouTube tutorials on Lua. They'll teach you exactly like about functions. I don't think I know enough. I know how to use functions, just like I don't think I can explain it well enough, because I don't want to get you guys confused or anything. So we're gonna write function name love.load, then parentheses, then function love.update, and then in the parentheses put pt, which is about the time, which I will cover in the tutorial. Function love.draw I mean, the order doesn't really matter. Key here. And function. These values, I like the colors. Just make I spelled it wrong. Mouse press. And then X and Y for the mouse. Then end it. And then function love.load. I mean, actually just not, we're not going to use it. There's more than this. It's like key release, mouse release, but I don't even think we're going to be using it. So, you know, might as well not do it. Well, I'm going to stop this video right here. I think I should start the next tutorial by teaching about delta time. Actually, no, I'll start up here. What can we do up here? Okay, guys, this is the end. Goodbye.